Alexa, lights off.
Okay. Alexa, turn the lights off.
Sorry, I couldn't find a device or group named Lights in Alicia's account.
The Amazon Alexa is becoming more and more popular, especially with lighting. The price ranges of bulbs, switches, and sockets range from $29 up to $190 or even more. We can use other options like using the Alexa API for do-it-yourself solutions. We can use hardware and connect their APIs and make simple and fun and exciting experience with the Amazon Alexa. Using the Lambda Amazon Web Servers and a particle, we're creating IRIYO do-it-yourself enabled lights. We're going to be talking a lot about skills, so let's understand this first. A skill consists of two main components, the skill service and a skill interface. The skill service is the first component creating a skill. It lives in the cloud and hosts code we're writing that receives payloads from Alexa. It determines actions and to taking responses, manages HTTPS requests, user accounts, information processes, sessions, and database. Amazon Web Services Lambda is a good option because it can be a trusted event source. You can also use your own server, but it needs to have all the security and additional configuration for SSL and certificates. A skill services uses event handlers to define how the skill will behave. It will trigger the events. We have the on-launch event, the intent handlers. The on-launch event gets sent when the skill is first launched by the user. Another type of handler is the intent handler. An intent is another type of event that is an indication what the user would like to do. In this case, we're going to have two types of intents, the turn on and the turn off. Intent handlers map the amount of features that the skill offers. A skill service can have as many intent handlers, each reacting to different intents triggered by different spoken utterances that we specify.
We're going to learn how to build and deploy a skill on Amazon Web Services. We go to the developer site, and there we will see the tab called Alexa. This will take us to the different options that the Alexa has. In order to build a skill, we go to the Skills Kit, which are the voice-driven applications for Alexa. Here, you will create a skill now, and you will see that I have two skills. That is because initially I made a mistake that took me a long time to understand and figure out. Therefore, it was definitely better to go and use the basic skill. Now let's check how it works. As you can see, this is my skill in developer mode, and this is how it works. If you go to the developer console, in the skill we created, you can see the skill information. The type is custom because we selected the basic. And here you have the two intent, the intent schema and all of the types of utterances. So whenever you want to turn the lights on and you say it like this, IRIYO will understand. When you want to turn off, these are the other utterances. As for configuration, here you get the Lambda ARN, which will help link to the Lambda Management Console. Finally, here you can have a simulator to test once the code is in the server. And here is our Lambda function. This is the code that we created in order to communicate with the particle API. This is the access token of my specific particle. We're using post HTTPS methods. You can see the launch request and the intent request. Two of the functions are the turn on and turn off, which are called up here.
Alexa, ask IRIYO to turn the lights on.
Light is on.
Alexa, ask IRIYO to turn the lights off.
Light is off.
Creating IRIYO do-it-yourself enabled lights.